morning everyone. Today I will tackle about a quadratic equation by factoring. So what is quadratic equation? A quadratic equation is defined by fx is equals to x squared plus bx plus c, where e, b, and c is the elements of a real numbers and a is not equals to 0. If fx is equals to 0, the resulting equation of ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0 is called quadratic equation. So the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Here's the example of a quadratic equation by factoring. X squared minus 8x plus 15 is equals to 0. So, in solving a quadratic equation, think of a number that if you multiply it equals to 15 and if you add it equals to negative 8. Negative 5 and negative 3. So, here's the factor of an x squared minus 8x plus 15. 0 minus 3 is equals to 0. So 5, then x is equals to 3. X squared minus 42 is equals to 0. This equation is a perfect square. So the factor is negative 7 and positive 7. Another transpose is equals to 0, then x plus 7 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 7, then s is equals to negative 7. So here's the factor of x squared minus 42 equals to 0.
Here is another example of quadratic equation by factoring. 9x squared minus 18x plus 8 is equals to 0. So think of a number that if you multiply it equals to 8, and if you subtract it equals to negative 18. 3x minus 4 and 3x minus 2. 3x times 3x is equals to 9x squared. Then 3x times 2 is equals to negative 6x. Then negative 4 times positive 3x is equals to negative 12x. Then negative 4 times negative 2 is equals to positive 8. 9x squared negative 6x plus negative 12x in the rule of integer. If the equation have the same side, it will be addition. So negative 6x minus 12x is equals to negative 18x. Copy the both sign, then positive 8 is equal to 0. So 3x minus 4 and 3x minus 2 is the factor of 9x squared minus 18x plus 8. 3x minus 4 is equals to 0, and 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. 3x is equals to positive 4, then 3x is equals to negative 2, divided by 3, divided by 3, so x is equals to 4/3. 3x is equals to negative 2 divided by 3 divided by 3. So x is equals to 2/3. Another example of quadratic equation by factoring. X squared minus 81 is equals to 0. X squared minus 81 is a perfect square. So think of a number that have the same. So x plus 9 and x minus 9. 9 times 9 is equals to 81, and x is equals to x squared. So x is equals to x squared. X times negative 9 is equals to 9x. Then 9 times x is equals to positive 9x. Then 9 times negative 9 is negative 81 equals to 0. So x squared negative 9x plus 9 is equals to 0. So copy the 81 is equals to 0. So x squared minus 81 is the factor of x plus 9 and x minus 9. X plus 9 is equals to 0. And x minus 9 is equals to 0. Transpose x is equals to negative 9. Then x is equals to 9.